Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter number 5 Advanced Features of MS Excel Part 2. Now let's see about goal seek. Goal seek is a wonderful feature for fixing a specific result for one cell, adjusting a value in another cell. Here, follow the steps. Enter data in a worksheet, then calculate total and percentage as shown in the figure. Then select the data tab and click on what if analysis button in the data tool. Then select goal seek option. The goal seek dialog box will be appear like that on the screen. In set cell text box, define the cell address E5 on which the goal seek is to be applied. So here the set cell will be refers address E5. In this box, always refer the cell that contains formula. Type the new value 150 as a result in to value text box, and then press the tab key. Click on the cell D5 in a worksheet. The address will appear in the by changing cell text box. Click on OK button. The goal seek status dialog box will be appear on the screen displaying the total 150 and current value 150. That is target value. Then click OK. Observe the change in cell D5. The number will change according to percentage you have defined. So now let's see about consolidating data. How to consolidate the data. Consolidation refers to combining of data. So it is nothing but consolidation is nothing but combining the data. We can combine data of various ranges either in the same worksheet or other worksheet. To consolidate data in a different worksheet, it is essential to group the worksheet. Press and hold down the shift key and click on the sheet 3 tab. Enter the main heading field names and common subheading. Then later on ungroup them by right clicking on any group sheet tab and selecting ungroup sheet option. Click on sheet 1 tab and enter the data as shown in the figure. Similarly, enter the data as given in figure in sheet 2 of the same worksheet. Then click on the sheet 3 tab, change the heading as shown in the figure and select data tab and consolidate option in data tools group. Then consolidate dialog box will be appear. Then to calculate the total car sales in first quarter of 2013 and 2014, select the function from the list box if it is not selected. Then click on collapse button in reference text box. Click on sheet 1 tab and select the cell range from B5 till D10. Click on the add button. The cell reference will be added in all references text box. Then click on collapse button of reference text box. Click on sheet 2 tab. Then select the cell range B5 till D10. Click on the add button. Now click on OK button in consolidate dialog box. Sheet 3 will show the consolidated data of first quarter sales of each car in 2014 and 2015. So using consolidating data, we don't want to calculate different worksheets. So you can combine the sheets, that is you can easily combine the data. And then save the file. You can view the consolidated data. So now grouping worksheets. By default, 3 sheets are displayed in a worksheet with a name, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? You can enter data in all 3 worksheets. So you can enter all 3, you can use all 3 worksheets. The purpose of grouping the worksheets is to enter common data, formatting and formulas. Follow the steps. To group the multiple worksheets. Create a new workbook. Then the sheet 1 worksheet is activate. Press and hold the shift key. Click on the sheet 3 tab. Then release the shift key. Note that all the 3 worksheet tabs have become white and the word appears in the title bar. It indicates that sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 are grouped together. Enter the data in the group worksheet. Then sheet 1, format the heading by making it bold and increase its font size. Here font size you have to increase. Apply border around the heading first quarter sales 2014 and select the row 3, increase the font size to 14 and give bold effect. Similarly, select column A and apply same formatting effect. To ungroup the worksheet, click on any other sheet tab except sheet 3. Right click on any group sheet tab and select ungroup sheets. And then all the 3 sheets will appear the column data with formatting effect. Okay. Click on sheet 2 tab and then change the year to 2015. Similarly, change the heading to consolidating first quarter 2014. This sales 2014 to 2015 in sheet 3. Save the worksheet with the name multiple. So like that you can grouping the sheets.